Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers.
Tutuloy po sa pag-i-spray sa mga okra. Yan po yung hindi pa nai-sprayan.
Flowers come back.